Hello and welcome to Coxie's Picks, and today we're going to look at this, the MOCARZ 75mm oversize padlock. It is a cheap lock which I got on eBay for £6, just purely because I was looking for an easy lock to pick for a project. So let's see if it functions. It does. And you can see it's been spray painted. Nice. Right, okay, so it opens. What we got inside it, we've got a very flat key and it's not ball bearing. Okay, so I suppose we're going to use the SWICK to try and get this. Is that going to fit? Yep. And we're also going to need, let's try and rake it first. So we'll use just a normal wave rake. So out it comes, there it goes. Oh, throwing all my tensioners everywhere. Right, so first thing we want to do, tensioner at the bottom, make sure we've got it. That's quite a large movement on the core, always reassuring. And then we're just going to place the SWICK in all the way to the, ooh, I don't even think that's shielded. Oh, and it's opened. Okay, in the words of a famous lawyer, let's do that again and prove it wasn't a fluke. Oh, that was a fluke. So let's apply tension, push it all the way to the back. Yeah, it was a fluke. Oh, no it wasn't. Okay. So, in with the tension. If you actually try and pick it, it's harder. Well, I never. Alright. Well, the MOCARZ XL security. I wonder if it's because it's such flat fitting on the key. Yeah, that's almost a 1-for-1. Okay, so the MOCARZ XL security. It is a large oversized padlock, visually intimidating. However, the reality is it's not. So I'm just going to do that one more time because I thought that was kind of cool. So before we sign off, thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye. Okay, I couldn't leave it like that. My curiosity was too much, so I had a bit of further digging on it, and it seems that what you need to do is just hit one pin. So we've got to go with a single pin hook, go all the way to the back, and there we are. You just literally tickle on the last pin, and that's it. So yeah, it's not great. Well, it's great for the project I want, but not great for what it's intended for. But there we are. So, seriously, thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.